Welcome to 808 Cameron Circle, a beautifully designed 5-bedroom home in the heart of Milpitas, where comfort and everyday convenience come together. From the moment you step inside, you'll notice how thoughtfully this home is laid out. The floor plan offers room to grow, gather, and adapt, whether this means hosting guests or creating space that fits your lifestyle today and into the future. The kitchen truly anchors the home, offering generous counter space, ample storage, and an easy flow into the main living areas, perfect for everyday living and effortless entertaining. It's a space designed to keep everyone connected while enjoying a light-filled, airy setting thanks to large windows and high ceilings. With a primary suite that feels like a true retreat. Featuring dedicated office space and 5 well-sized bedrooms, this home offers exceptional flexibility. A first-floor bedroom ideal for guests or in-laws, and additional rooms to comfortably accommodate family or visitors, all complemented by generous storage throughout. And let us not forget the home's 3 full bathrooms, 1 conveniently located on the first floor and 2 upstairs, including a generously sized primary bath. Step outside to a private backyard designed for both relaxation and connection, ideal for weekend barbecues, outdoor dining, or simply enjoying the Bay Area's year-round sunshine. Located in one of Milpitas' most desirable neighborhoods, this home is close to top-rated schools, local parks, shopping, and dining, with easy access to major freeways and Silicon Valley's major tech hubs. This is more than just a 5-bedroom home. It's a place where life can evolve, memories can be made, and the next chapter can begin. Welcome home.